Hey guys, how you doing? Cryptic here with some exciting news today. I finally got the computer I was looking for. I built this PC online from Alienware, and I'm excited to unbox it for you today. It's going to be a short video, but you guys will get to see the computer, possibly the internals. I'm not sure yet, but I'm excited for me to unbox this computer for you guys so you guys can see the Alienware R12. So stay tuned after this break. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm unboxing the Alienware R12. This thing came in a pretty big box, pretty heavy as well actually, and the PC itself is actually pretty heavy. So it didn't come with any of the RGB keyboard or mouse or anything like that. Those are all optional things on there, but I already have a PC, so this was going to be my gaming PC, and my other PC I'm just going to use as my streaming PC. So I was very excited to receive this from them. And then as you could see here, I didn't bring a knife or anything like that, so I'm just going to use my fingers to open this up. And on the inside of the box, once I get it open here, you got your typical cardboard packaging and whatnot, and also big thick foams of packaging in there as well. So hopefully I get this thing open just in time for you guys to see all that stuff before my audio here gets a little long. So once I open it, you could see that there's the Dell branding, even though it's an Alienware computer, because as most of you know, Dell bought Alienware quite a long time ago. And on the inside, like I said, you got your basic keyboard and your basic power cord and whatnot, so nothing major in there. And then from there, you could see that I take this off, and once I remove it and I remove the cardboard, I reveal the PC. And inside, you're going to see the Alienware PC itself. And nothing major in here, no extra, like manuals or nothing crazy actually. Just a basic, boxing of the PC, which I actually like. You don't have to have all this extra stuff. It's just a PC like any other and whatnot. And I kicked the box out of the way here just so you guys can see. I had it backwards in the beginning, but it is what it is. I realized it afterwards, and I switched it over. And you could see it came with some plastic wrapping around it as well, so a little difficult to get that bottom foam off, but I was able to get it off. And I was able to take the plastic wrapping that's around it, but I'll show you the front here in just a moment. And I really enjoy and liked unboxing this thing. It was pretty simple, nothing major, and I really do like the way the PC looks. Even though it doesn't have any of the RGB stuff or anything like that. I mean, the computer sits underneath my desk, so it's not like anybody's going to be seeing this anyways. So I wasn't worried about any kind of RGB or anything of that nature because, I'm not going to be showcasing the computer. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and take this bad boy apart. And we're going to go ahead and remove this screw from the back of the computer in order to access this panel on the side here. And this is where the CPU and the motherboard and all that good stuff it is in there. So it's just a gentle pull back there. And we're just going to, get that one cover open. And then once you open that cover, there's going to be a couple of locks on the back of the PC as well that you're going to need to unlock in order for this particular setup that Alienware has, which is like a swing arm that comes right out where the power supply is. So you just unlock those two. There's one on the top, one on the bottom, and then you just slowly start basically opening this computer up. And as you can see, everything is really tight in there, very, very tight actually. I didn't go with the liquid cool option on this computer because I want to upgrade it on the side. And like I said, it was just something that a lot of people do go with the liquid cooling. I should have went with it, but I found some alternatives that I'm actually willing to try on here. And that's what I ended up using, just a CPU fan, just like my other PC. in order for the cooling to happen in there. And then I am going to replace some of the fans and some of the stuff that other people have suggested for me to replace, because they mentioned that the fans in the computer itself aren't that great. So I'm going to be doing that later. So I'm just going to, for now, close this up because there's not really much to see in there. I have 16 gigs of RAM in there, and I have the 3070 Ti RTX GPU as well in there. So like I said, not much in there to see, but I really appreciate it, guys. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. That concludes our video. I appreciate all you guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button so you can get notified when I go live or when I post another video. Don't forget to visit my Twitch channel and also my Facebook account and my Twitter, which descriptions will be below. Thanks again. See ya. Have a good day.